we are going to learn about the process of writing the data into the binary file. Not only the writing, we also know that one how to append the data in a binary file. What is the meaning of the append? Append means after the first line, if the append mode is applied, then the cursor will go into the next line. Means by default we know that one in the text editor or in any other files where we are going to store the data, the cursor will be in the first line. Suppose I have written 5 lines over here. Now after some time, if I open the file once again, suppose the Python file has open and the connection has been established with the text file, the cursor will by default in the first line. Now if I start writing over there, then my previous data are going to be erased. So if I use the append, what will happen? Always when we are open the file, the data cursor will be at the end of all the lines, means where the new lines should start at end of the lines. Now what will going to be happen? I have create one object f open method, as we know that one. Here I have passed the name of the file and the AB mode. AB mode means append binary file. Fine. Now in this program we will learn some new things. Earlier program we have taken a list and write it into the binary file, but today what is going to be happen? We are going to take the input, string input, especially the string input in a variable. Now then what will going to be happen? That is going to be converted into the byte array and it has to be written over there. So str input function, we know that one, it will take the string has been taken. I have declared one array. I have used the byte array. What is the function of the byte array? Byte array is going to convert the string into array of bytes. Array of bytes means consecutive bytes. Now in the byte array what I have passed? I passed the string and the encoding scheme. Now what is encoding? Encoding in the Python, strings are stored as Unicode. What is Unicode? That is each character in the string is represented by a code point. Not by the ABCD, it will by a code point. So each string is just a sequence of Unicode points. For efficient storage of all these strings, the sequence of code points are converted into the set of bytes. This process is known as encoding. So what will going to be happen? String. Now the encoding pattern. There is lot of encoding patterns. One of them is UTF-8. Fine, it has been converted into the bytes. Now f.write ARR. We have written that one and f.close. Now we'll come to the read function. What is there in the read function? Same, open, then obviously the name of the file, then the mode, RB means read binary file. Nothing new over here. We are writing the name is a variable f.read. It is going to be stored over there. Print num, then f.close. Now once again I told you one thing. Remember one thing. Append. What is the append? If you write in the append mode, always cursor will be beginning of a new line. Means existing data are not going to be overwritten. Always cursor will be the beginning of a new line. One new line will be created at the end, and so the data are not going to be overwritten. Thank you.